I could fall in love with the proper stranger if I heard the bells and the banjos play. If to certain eyes with a look of danger smile welcome to me, if the tom-toms in my heart sounded out a warning, don't let her go. She is the love you've been waiting for. Yes, I know. Wild as it may seem, yes, I know. That's why I keep repeating. So take my hand, proper stranger. Don't go through life like a stranger, for I'm the right proper stranger too. Take my hand, I'm the stranger in paradise, all lost in a wonderland, the stranger in paradise. If I stand starry-eyed, that's a danger in paradise for mortals who stand beside an angel like you. I saw your face, and I ascended out of a commonplace into the rare, somewhere in space. I hang suspended until I know there's a chance that you care. Won't you open your angel's arms to the stranger in paradise? Don't leave me in dark despair from all that I hunger for, but open your angel's arms to the stranger in paradise and tell me I need be a stranger no more. The torch I carry is handsome. It's worth its heartache in ransom. And when the twilight steals, then I know how, lady, in the harbor fields, when I want rain, I get sunny weather. I'm just as blue as the sky. Since love has gone, I can't pull myself together. Guess I'll hang my tears out to dry. Friends ask me out, I tell them I'm busy. I've gotta get a new alibi. I look in the mirror and I ask myself, where is she? I guess I'll hang my tears out to dry. Dry little teardrops, my little teardrops, hanging on a string of dreams. Fly, little memories, all my little memories. Remind her of our crazy schemes. Somebody said, just forget about her. So I gave that treatment a try. Strangely enough, I got along without her. Then one day she passed me by. Oh, well, I guess I'll hang my tears out to dry. There was a boy, very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered very far, very far over land and sea. He was he. And then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. And while we talked of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me, the greatest thing you'll ever learn is how to love and be